Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. Today I'm going to share with you the best deals I found at Walgreens for the week. When I woke up this morning very early, I wasn't super excited about the deals that I saw. There were some food deals I saw last night that I knew would be decent deals. But I was hoping for some new digital coupons and that just didn't happen. But now that I'm seeing what I got, it actually isn't that bad of a week. So I'm going to walk you through all of the deals, tell you exactly what I did. A couple of the things I actually pulled out of my pantry because we didn't need it, but I still had the item, so I'll tell you about those as well. I also had a paper booster for spend $20, get $6 in Walgreens cash, so that was a really good one that I got this past week. My digital booster, I think, was like spend $60, get $15. I didn't want to spend $60. I just wasn't there this morning and I didn't want to put that together. So I only used my paper booster. One thing I'm excited about this week is my birthday. My birthday is on Tuesday and I just think birthdays are fun. We don't have any big plans, but it's still going to be a fun day because it's my birthday. So that brings up a couple of things. One, if you want to wish me a happy birthday or support me on my birthday, there are some super simple ways to do that. Like the video, comment on the video, or on any of my social media platforms. Share the video, share my Instagram with someone that you think might benefit from it. All of those things help me to get more engagement and in turn help me. And so that would be a beautiful way of wishing me a happy birthday. Or go to my videos and hit play all and just let those suckers run. Also an awesome birthday gift. But it brings up two important things. One, I'm working on a news segment and an article on birthday freebies, and I plan to do a video on that as well. But our birthday freebies tend to be based on where we go and where we shop and where we eat. And so what I get may look very different than what you get because our behaviors are different. So drop a comment down below. Let me know one of your favorite birthday freebies each year, and I'll look into it. That way I make sure I include as many as possible in the article that I am writing. Also, people have asked me this over time, and I'm curious if y'all would be interested in knowing like my favorite things. People have asked, hey, like what brands have you learned that you absolutely love from couponing? And while I am not super brand specific, there are a couple of products that I absolutely love, and I learned that I loved them through shopping deals. So if you'd be interested in hearing kind of like my favorite things, if you like checking out new products, let me know because I could create a video like that as well. All right, back to the deals. Let's walk through the food deals first. So I did pick up 2 bags of the Lay's potato chips. They're buy one, get one free this week on sale. My in-store price was $4.59, so that means I paid $4.59 for both of them, or $2.29 per bag. I quickly looked at my local grocery store and it was more expensive to buy it at the grocery store, so I figured that was a good price at Walgreens this week. Plus, you can use your Walgreens cash to pay. You could use register rewards to pay if you wanted to. I'm gonna set that down out of the way. The Doritos are also buy one, get one free. These were priced at $5.59. So that made each bag $2.79. Again, you can use your Walgreens cash to pay or your register rewards. Now, this one I pulled out of my pantry because we didn't need any more, but it is a great sale price on the cashew halves and pieces, $1.99 for a bag. Great price. The nice nuts that look like the Planters, but they're nice, they're $1.99. Now the Planters are 2 for $4, so just a penny more, you're getting the name brand. So again, I pulled these out of my pantry, one's half eaten, but 2 for $4, good price on the Planters peanuts. The lemonade deal that I talked about last week, if you didn't do the deal last week, you could do it this week. That coupon is still there if you purchase 3 of those Simply Lemonades. It's a good deal. Now, I think that was all the food deals that I did. Let's talk about the unexpected deals that I picked up this morning. So these emergency, I love that emergency fizzy stuff in my water, like you warm up water and you put the fizzy stuff in. I love those. I've never tried the gummies. This was 90% off, so it was like $1.80 after that 90% off. I'll include a picture up here on the screen. Now, I saw a reel over on Instagram by Mi Mundo con Cupones. She is amazing, and she found this awesome deal on the Walgreens cough drops. They are $1.99. They're buy one, get one half off. So one $1.99, one's gonna ring 99 cents. You'll pay $2.98 at the register. But then you're going to get a $5 register reward back, making them both free and a $2.02 moneymaker. So as you can see, I did that deal twice. I did it once at one store near me. I did it once at another store near me. You could do it multiple times. I just personal preference. I'm not going to grab all that the store has. That's just not the way I operate. But there isn't a limit as far as your account of how many times you could do the deal. You would just have to do it in separate transactions. And your individual store may tell you, hey, we're only going to let you do that one time, or we're only going to let you do one transaction per day. Stores do have that power to limit you if they want to. But great deal. And this printed right here, stock up and save, get $5 in register rewards when you buy 2 or more participating cold and cough products. And of course it has pictures of some of the items there. These are not pictured, so obviously it works on items that are not pictured as well. I don't know what all is printing the $5 register reward. We're gonna have to play with it all week and see what deals we can get. If you find an amazing offer, please drop it in the comments. That way we all know what this $5 register reward is printing as far as the different cold and cough products. But since I grabbed 4 of them, that ended up being a $4.04 moneymaker on those cough drops alone. Now, how I used my spend 20, get $6 in Walgreens cash paper booster. I did it on the diapers. It's a good deal for diapers even without that booster. So let me tell you how the deal works. Pick up 2 of these. It has to be Huggies size 1 because it has to be at least 32 count, and apparently the size 1 is the only one that's 32 count. So these are 2 for $21. Okay, so I picked up 2 of them. I had a $4 digital coupon, so I paid $17 out of pocket. I did not have any manufacturer register rewards. If you did, you could use those. I did not. I got back $2 for each of them on Ibotta. And then I got back $6.80 on Shopkick, or I will, it's still pending. There were 850 kicks, and it was a limit of 2, which comes out to $6.80 back on Shopkick, making it $6.20 for both of them, or $3.10 each. Now, with my spend 20, get 6, I got another $6 back in Walgreens cash, so my total ended up just being 20 cents, or 10 cents per pack of diapers. So obviously that is an amazing deal on diapers if you need them or if you want to save them for a baby gift. Great deal there. Now, a couple of deals that are still going on if you haven't done them. The AVRALF eye wash, this is $5.99. There is a $3 store digital and a $2 manufacturer digital. Both of those will apply, leaving you to pay just 99 cents. Now, if you bought more than one of these, that store digital is going to apply each time, but the manufacturer digital is only going to apply one time. The Blink contacts, These are $7.49. There is a $3 manufacturer digital, a $4 store digital, so $7 in coupons, leaving you to pay just 49 cents for this. The L'Oreal eye makeup remover, and I've told you guys before, I love this eye makeup remover. This is an online only deal or a curbside only deal. You could not do this in store the way I'm about to explain it. They are buy two, get one free. They're $7.79 each. So you're gonna pay for two, make sure you have three in your cart. That third one's gonna be free. I had a $9 digital coupon. There is an automatic $3 off 3 coupon that's going to apply in your cart. So that's $12 in coupons, leaving you to pay $3.58 for all 3 of these, or just $1.19 each, which is a decent price. I know we've gotten them cheaper, but $1.19 each is not a bad deal. Now, I have the Tide here. I did not purchase these Tide detergents today. I just wanted to show you they are still on promotion, 4 for $9, which is not a bad price. If you have some Walgreens cash or you have register rewards, you could use that to pay for the Tide, or you could work it into a spin deal if you want. But I did want to mention that that is still on sale this week. So I think I talked about everything. Of course, I will include pictures of items that I found on clearance at the end of the video. As always, if you have questions about the deals, don't hesitate to drop them down in the comments. My hope is right after I get this video posted, I'm gonna check out the CVS deals, and if those are good, I'm hoping to get a CVS video out for you this week as well. Hope y'all have a great week. Thanks.